This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Connie Quigley. Direct Sykes Creek Waterfront property with spectacular views. This meticulously maintained home has been updated with new pavers, roof, windows, hurricane shutters, and garage door. Just to name a few. The open floor plan provides for optimal water views. Entertain in the screened patio enclosure west/sparkling pool and waterfall feature. Watch all the rocket launches from the renovated second-story dock. Boat lift was updated to accommodate a pontoon boat. A portion of the garage was converted to a craft, fourth bedroom. Could easily be restored to full two-car garage. For more information, review the details below or contact Connie Quigley at 321-505-9143.